Isa, come here.
Go home.
Mama, in. Mommy. Okay. How you feel today?
Ah, my hand.
Good.
Show me your arm. How your arm is moving now? Oh,
Good.
like the exercise we just made. What is it?
Exercise this.
Otro.
You're not supposed to jump this up.
Okay, mami, cuénteme una cosa. ¿Cómo fue anoche allá al hospital? ¿Le dolió?
Sí.
¿Sí le dolió?
Hmm?
¿Cómo le hicieron?
They will pop it out, like turn it.
Oh my God. In the heart?
So we got the kitties.
Which kiddies?
The kitty with the little
Let's show the kitty.
kitties in here.
Okay, what is the name of this kitty?
Give it a name.
Cats.
Cat. Okay, this one.
This
So inside that box is a kitty. Are you sure?
See,
No,
her
that's not.
night.
How you
Are you
know?
sure it's even breathing?
Her
It's
night.
quiet.
This one is Matt, and both of them,
Breathing?
they don't be Matt. Because he met see butter and Ed wants
There's a hole right here.
Okay, mire por el hole, Isabela. Mire por el hole. Sí está.
Let's go look in the hole.
Oh, Isa, mire.
Did you kick it, or is that the cat?
That was him.
Isa, mira por el huequito. Sí está, Isa. Sí está, Isa.
It's really hard to see. It's
No.
black.
¿You no tiene?
But I see it in here.
And what happened
Oh,
with
it's
your
over
peinado? Mami, ¿qué pasó con su peinado? Es muy nice. Es talco. Jaden, mira, Isa, llámelo. Hi, kitty.
Hi, kitty.
Diga, I'm Jaden.
I didn't
Y le pregunté what is his name. Y le, kitty, what is your name? Kitty.
Don't put your finger in there. Say bye, kitty.
Hi, kitty. So, you don't believe it. So, this box, you open it, and there was a box. And this one, we can't close it.
You don't get scared.
Here is some snaky. Because there's the cat.
20 ahora mismo.
And here, we close. Here.
Le digan. Sí, Isabela. Say bye-bye.
Jump.
Oh, he's on this side.
See you tomorrow.
He's on